Hi everyone. It might be rainy, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm taking you on a tour of a cozy condo that's perfect no matter what the weather is. Rain or shine, this condo is the perfect win. I'm Amanda Downs with LPT Realty.